Alright, well, this is where we left you guys off last time, so welcome back. Another exciting day. So I got all these clamps on here. This stuff worked good, so we finished that other stuff last night. Got all these going here now. Gonna take this stuff apart. Flip this over, make sure it's good. Clean up the edges. I got the car on the other side. I came back, I just got back. Shout out to Dutra Sheet Metal, Danny and those guys over there. He helped me out this morning. Got me the pieces I need to fix the wheel tub. So that's gonna be that'll be fixed also today or tomorrow. So we got this all set up. Alright. It's not perfect, but it'll live. It's all cracked anyway, so for now, it's fine for now. I'm just gonna sand that side down, clean the edges up, clean the stuff off of the excess glue off everything. That stuff works great, man. So if you want to see what this stuff is, I've used this before. Right? Lowe's carries it. It's like 30 bucks a tube, but it works good. So that's that. All right, I'll go straighten out that shock, get that welded up. Okay, so pick that up. That's gonna fit right back in there. Right now, I already straightened. I'm using this horsepower with this spreader. I already opened this up to make this straight. This was bent in and out, so it was bent in and out this way. So cleaned all that up. I'm gonna put that piece in here and spread it like that and get that back into place, and then that should be good. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing back into place. Oh yeah. That's gonna go like that. Right there. There we go. All right. Probably gonna have to hold it while we weld it. It is going back into place, but to jump out. What happened is it creased underneath. So yeah, that has to come back to there. So those are even across. We're gonna have to do that while we're welding it, so I'll get everything ready to weld it and then push that out and run a new bead on it. All right, so I put a first trial fit in there. Lines line up perfectly. I mean, those line up perfectly. So what I'm doing now is I got it marked. Where'd I mark it? Lost it. Oh, here, right here. So I need to cut this little square piece out like that, and that'll drop down. Let me see if I can show you this. So it's gonna come. So it's gonna come like this, right, all the way down, and then it's gonna stop there, and then this piece is gonna continue down to that about 1.5 inches or so. So I'm gonna knock that little 1.5 inches off of that piece, and then we should be able to put it in. I'm gonna have Daryl come over here and we're gonna tack it in by welding it. So you won't see no rivets or nothing on the inside or outside. So right now I'm just gonna knock this off. I can actually knock off like 2 inches of that off it, because I tucked this, so I slipped this up and over. I'm gonna knock that off real quick. Try fitting it again and see how it fits this time. Alright. It fits really, really, really nice. Can't even tell. Alright, so I just gotta kind of finagle it right exactly so the two lines line up in the top, and then we're gonna weld it from the bottom so it'll be stitched from the bottom, and then I could just clean it up and you won't even see it. So it'll be perfect. Alright, so looks good to me.
Alright, Daryl's here welding everything up for us.
No, I'm good.
Welding the tub up there, welding the shock bracket right now. Keeping it all back up so it can bend back into place.
What was that? Feels good as hell, though.
Yeah,
Gotta turn the air conditioner off for a second.
Yeah.
Like if I know I'm going to be in here for a while without the door opening, then it's worth turning it on.
Well,
But
when it's 90 degrees, I don't
fucking
think
96 it got up to today.
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be the same thing. Yep. Yep. Nice.
Probably stand it up. Yeah. That's some good shit there.
That's in the right spot.
Yeah, it's the right spot.
So is that a burnt hole?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay,
yeah,
okay. I don't
yeah.
care about that. We'll fill it in.
Yeah, I'll fill it in now.
I just don't want to get that. I'll paint it
Lay it
silver
down.
again.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We'll paint it silver.
Like that? Is better?
Yeah.
Put that on there.
Leave this down here so that in case it arcs out. Or it ain't gonna arc out right now.
Shouldn't.
Is that good like that? Or you wanna?
Yeah, not up. Yeah, however. Good shit.
Yeah, it is thin.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
No, smells like.
What sucks is this got anodized, and the guy that anodized it won't do it anymore.
Oh, no?
No.
Well, you know, Herb can powder coat
Yeah, you can do
Yeah,
the
but
powder
that
coat
looks like
too.
this.
I know, but I gotta take the whole thing off and have it the whole thing
Ah,
done.
right.
Because I could have had this piece made up, no problem. And then,
Well, that was the only thing that broke off of it, though, the thing.
I know,
But
but I'm saying to make a new one.
oh yeah.
But then it
Well-
anodizes it, it won't look the same.
We're kind of just lucky it ain't carbon fiber, and then we'd have to buy a whole nother piece.
Even if you blob it on, I'll clean it up with the
Yeah,
grinder.
that's what I'm trying to do. Just throw it in there.
Yep. Roll that off,
Yep, perfect.
yep. Yep. That's
That
good.
backside.
As good as new.
Yeah, that's good. Don't
Good.
even, yeah.
That's hot.
Yep, that's good.
All right, now we do the top. Yep.
We grind all that clean.
Got it, get up.
Yeah.
Get up. Yeah, don't tack on that.
I want to try to get it as tight as possible.
Get there.
Yep.
Want to get some rubber slung on it. I won't even know.
Perfect that. I got the tack.
Are we on the right setting for aluminum?
Yeah.
So what's on?
Is it?
Yeah, so it's perfect back there.
Is it maybe not clean enough?
I probably should be on that side versus.
Yeah.
That fucking heat is the dead.
Trust me, we ain't trying to keep the smoke out.
Right. I can feel it fucking opening up my head.
That's it.
It's definitely the position why you gotta use more heat to keep it up there, but then you're burning the wire back and burning holes. You know what I
It's
mean?
alright, we're good.
You know?
We're good. It's all welded up. We'll get rubber on there and won't even know it was fixed.
Yeah, right.
All right, well, Daryl was here last night welding away. Everything looks good. So now I got to clean everything up, put it all back together. We got this thing all set, so that's all done. I'm going to put this back on. We fixed the rod. We're going to put that back on. Fixed a little clamp under there. We're going to put that back on. And then I'm just going to... So welding upside down with the aluminum was really tough last night. So I'm gonna go up in there and just clean it up with the polishing grinder, clean everything up real good. I'm gonna go get a tube of silicone, of that tack, that good stuff that we use all the time, that 3M, and then just put it up in the holes Make sure everything's sealed off good. That'll lock it all in place. And that's it. Put it back together. All right.
Get that needle. Tear the rest of it out. Oh, I thought that was welded in there.
No. It wraps down and around, so I need to hold that like that. There's a little clamp. Grab a little clamp. I'll hold this down, then I can get the blade underneath that. All right. Wings back on. Everything's all fixed back here. Got that piece done. We're just sealing it off. Make sure we get no. This thing already gets enough smoke in it. We don't need no more.
Make sure it floats.
It'll be nice and sealed off. That's fixed. We're just gonna clean that up, and that's it. I gotta make this one piece right here. So I gotta go get one more piece from Dutra for that. Fold that up, cut that to match the one that came out. So I'm gonna cut this, make that the same, put it right back in. We'll be able to use all the same holes. So we don't have 5 million holes, rivets everywhere, and that's it. Oh, that's waxed. Nothing got touched. Thank God the quarter panel didn't get messed up. Got a little tiny dinger right there, but no problem. All right. Finish this up, put the trunk lid back on, and we're good. All right, here we go. Gonna stick it back in the other lift, on the drive-on lift, so we have it at ride height. Gonna set the ride height on the car, then we'll set the anti-roll.
The car is cold.
Yeah. So we are almost ready to go. All right, so we got this thing set up in here. Picked up the next piece that we need for in here. All right, that piece fits in here, so I'm gonna take this back off. Actually, I'm gonna put it right in there, line up all the holes. I'm gonna stick a little glico clip in there and take my measurements. I'm gonna make this thing exactly the way the other one was. I'm probably even gonna be able to use the same holes for the rivets. Let's try going to get a glico and get this thing ready. All right, got a couple of those locked in. Got some measurements here. We're gonna go transfer them onto the other one now. All right, so this is gonna be right there, like that. This section gets knocked out. That gets folded down. Pretty much all that stays. I gotta trim that back a little bit, and then that piece gets folded down, and then it'll get trimmed later. So right now I just need to cut this piece out, and then I'm gonna try fitting it in there. All right, got this bent, got everything nice and cleaned up. Stick it in there and see how it works out. So we're drilling out the rest of the holes in the frame rail and in the back rail. And then we're gonna try to fit it in there. Okay. All fixed. All I gotta do now is just trim that little piece off, and we done. Trunk looks like crap now, but I end up getting, I got the mold up there. all the molds for everything. And I actually got another really nice steel trunk that I've looked for years, that I was looking for that car, for that convertible at one point. But I'm gonna get the mold that I got. I have another trunk lid up there actually. If you look real close, see that one? So that was a fiberglass trunk lid. This one was a carbon fiber trunk lid. I think I'm gonna take that one back up, pick that one back up, and put that back on here. Well, we'll see. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. So that's gonna stay like that. But we have the means to make new ones, molds, all kinds of crap. All right, that's it. Get this thing back together, and we get ready to go to the track. I thought it was gonna rain. Today's Saturday. I thought it was gonna rain today, so we didn't rush this. But whatever. The car's done now. Everything's all set. So we'll figure out a time when we're gonna go test with everything else done. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for supporting the channel. If you want to help out, get some merchandise or whatever, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeves are all available. And we got some stickers that look like that without this on it. But if anybody wants one of these with that on it, we can get them made up too. All right, talk to you later. Thanks a lot. See you at the track next video with this one.